In this video, I'll show you how to use Steam Link without a PC. Yes, it's possible with cloud gaming or remote access setups. Quick reality check. Steam Link is designed to stream games from your PC, so technically, a PC is required. But if you don't have a gaming PC, here are some alternatives that let you play Steam games without owning a powerful computer. Option 1. Use a cloud gaming service, e.g., GeForce Now. Create an account on GeForce Now. Link your Steam account to GeForce Now. Install the GeForce Now app on your smart TV, Android device, or browser. Launch Steam games directly from the cloud, no PC needed. Option 2. Use a Steam Deck. Steam Deck is a handheld gaming device by Valve. It runs SteamOS and can launch and play your Steam games natively. No external PC needed. Think of it as a portable PC built just for Steam. Option 3. Use a friend's or cloud PC, Moonlight plus Parsec. Rent a cloud gaming PC, e.g., Shadow PC, Boosteroid. Install Steam on that cloud PC and use apps like Moonlight or Parsec to stream games. It works with mobile, smart TVs, or basic laptops. What you can't do. You cannot use the Steam Link app by itself to play Steam games without a host PC or cloud setup. The app only streams from a source. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming tips and workarounds.